Okay, I've got a new idea I want to show you guys, see what you guys think. I came up with this new tool. I've been working on it for about 2 months now. And it has various size mold frames that fit inside. And it fits in a toaster oven. Just a basic, I mean, you can get toaster ovens for under 40 bucks now. Anyway, so what I do is I came up with making these round molds, and I've tried every kind of mold rubber I think they sell, and it all works quite well. But I really like the mold rubber that is versatile, and this one I can inject wax with it, which is really cool because now I could have this investment cast. And then the other thing that's cool, got to add a little powder on there, is since I made it round, it fits in the Accupore, just like that. And it works great for casting pewter. Or I suppose you could do all the low temperature metals would probably cast well. This particular mold rubber is not made for zinc, but this is like a jewelry grade pewter. Comes out kind of nice and shiny. I really like that. Pours really great. Doesn't take a big torch, you know, just a basic plumber's torch will work. And so I buy the mold rubber. Comes in a big disc. They use it for spin casting. And what I do is I made a die, and then I can press out these. It's the exact size circles and the exact weight in as far as how much mold rubber is necessary for that particular size of mold frame. So let's see how this turned out. So we got a really good pewter cast there. It's probably still a little bit hot, but these are vents. You don't really need them in the wax, but they help a great deal with pewter. So anyways, that's about it. Thank you.